Hi students, in previous class we discussed the definition of quadratic equation and quadratic expression, and some work also we have given. What is it? We have given some equations, whether those equations are quadratic equations or not. You check it once, and I post the answers also in chat box. Okay, next concept we are discussing, that is zero of the quadratic expression, root of a quadratic equation. So here two terms are used. What is that? Zero of and root of. When I am using zero of, that is belongs to quadratic expression. When I use the root of, that is belongs to equation, quadratic equation. So in fact both are same. ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఉండేటప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం? జీరో ఆఫ్ ద ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అంటాం. ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంటే ఏమంటాం? రూట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ అంటాం. బట్ దట్ బోత్ ఈజ్ సేమ్. ఓకే, సపోజ్ వన్ థింగ్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ, గెట్ రెడీ. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 5x ప్లస్ 6, ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వేషన్? Yes, it is expression because equal to sign is not there. It is x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. What is it? This is the equation and this is the expression. Just we are playing with some numbers, okay? Just I am giving you one number, x equal to 1, substitute in it. What will get same? And here also you substitute x equal to 1, and what did you get? You observe. Yes, 1 square value 1 minus 5 plus 6, that is equal to, what did you get? 6 plus 1 7 minus 5 2, not equal to 0. And substitute here also same, no? So 1 minus 5 plus 6 equal to 0. 2 is equal to 0. Is it true or false? Definitely it is false. And here we didn't get 0. What did you get answer? 2. What is it? Again one more value we will substitute. Okay, x equal to 2, you take it. Substitute 2 in expression and equation. In both you substitute 2. X value 2. 2. What is it now? 2 square 4 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 6. 10 minus 10. What did you get? 0. And here same calculation, no? 0 is equal to 0. Here you will get it true. When we replace the 2 in this quadratic equation, it becomes 0. When we are substituting x equal to 1, it becomes 2. The value, when we are substituting in the equation, its value is 0. Value of this expression is 0. That is called zero of this expression or polynomial. See here, when I am substituting x value 2, we got 0. Therefore 2 is called zero of the expression x square minus 5x plus 6. Here when we substitute 2, we got true value. LHS equal to RHS, you got it. Therefore 2 is called root of x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. When we are substituting value in the equation, if you are getting true value, means LHS equal to RHS, then that value is called root of that equation. Here is 1 root of this equation? No, because that 1 not satisfied by that equation. Okay, from this we can create one definition, that is alpha is said to be a root of the given quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. Can we say for expression కోసం అయితే ఎలా చెప్తాం? Alpha is said to be 0 of the quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. These are the two definitions we can use it. One thing you observe, whatever it may be problem, they will be given. Immediately first you must observe one value, you take it and substitute in it, will get 0. Definitely that is the 0 of the expression. If it is equation, that must get it LHS equal to RHS. Definitely that is the root of that equation. Okay. Here when we substituted 1, false value got it. When you substitute 2, you got it true value. Okay. One more value I am giving you. Take a 3. Take a 3. Bracket square minus 5 bracket plus 6 equal to 0. 3 you take it. 3 square 9 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 6 is equal to 0. That implies 9 plus 6 15. 15 minus 15 0. So 0 is equal to 0. You got it. Now 3 is also called root of this equation. So how many roots we got it now? 2 roots you got it. You take any value. Any real values you take it, not only real values here, you can take complex numbers also, no problem, because a comma b comma c belongs to c and it's said to be a root. Definitely if it satisfies enough, which kind of number is not a matter. అది ఏ టైప్ నెంబర్ అనేది మనకు అనవసరం. అది కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబరా, రియల్ నెంబరా, ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్, ఏదైనా రియల్ నెంబర్ అయినా ఇమాజినరీ అయినా లాస్ట్కి ఏ నెంబర్స్ అయినా మీరు బేసిక్ క్లాస్లో విన్నారు కదా, ఏమవుతుంది అది కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబరే కదా. యూ టేక్ ఎనీ కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్, సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ ఇన్ ఇట్. ఇఫ్ LHS ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు RHS, డెఫినెట్లీ దట్ ఈజ్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్. If LHS is not equal to RHS, it's not a root of that equation. Here for x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, we got 2 zeros. మీకు ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తున్నాను నేను. I gave you one chance. That is, take any values nearly 10 and substitute in it. Will get 0 or not, check it. Means LHS equal to RHS will get or not, check it. Never. 10 values ఏ కాదు, 1 crore తీసుకోండి, రాదు. Because it is a quadratic equation, its degree is 2. Definitely it has 2 zeros only. So the 2 zeros we got it. So every quadratic equation has exactly 2 roots. Is it quadratic or not? Yes, that's why it has 2 roots. Okay, good. Next, one problem I will give you, say me the answer. Here I am giving x square plus 1 equal to 0. What are the roots of x square plus 1 equal to 0? What are the roots? How many roots are there? Definitely it has 2 roots because it is a quadratic equation. What are those? Pause the video and try to do it. Any real number you take it, substitute in it. Minus 3 తీసుకుందాం, minus 1 తీసుకోండి. Take it minus 1. Minus 1 whole square how much? Plus 1. 1 plus 1 how much? 2. Is it possible to get in LHS this value becomes 0? No. అసలు 0 వచ్చే అవకాశమే లేదు. Because it is always positive. 1 is positive. Positive plus positive, positive. Okay. Do you think which values it will take? Yes, imaginary numbers. Iota, you know, iota value how much? Root minus 1. Now you substitute iota in place of x, I square plus 1 equal to 0. I square value is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. 0 equal to 0, you got it. One root is iota. One more root, minus iota. Substitute minus iota also. Minus iota whole square plus iota square. Iota square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Got it. So the roots of the quadratic equation are I comma minus I. Definitely it has 2 roots. Okay, one more I am giving you, get ready to say. X square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. Now you take it x values. X values you take it. Guess it. Guessing only. Sir, మేము రియల్ నెంబర్స్ ఇన్ని ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఎలా గెస్ చేస్తామంటే చేయాల్సిందే. దిస్ క్లాస్ meant for guessing only. Next class we are discussing methods. Okay. Because in lower classes also you have learnt well. X value 2, you take it. So what did you get? 2 square 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 minus 8, 0 equal to 0. True value got it or not? So 2 is the root of this equation. Is it one more root? ఇంకో రూట్ ఉంటుందా దీనికి? Definitely it has one more root. Substitute instead of than 2, any value substitute. In fact, will you get 0? See, this is a square minus b square formula, a minus b whole square formula, nana. This we can simplify it like this, x minus 2 whole square. Otherwise x minus 2 whole square, expand it, we'll get this. Now easily you think it. X value when we are taking 2, then only LHS is 0. No other value to take than x to substitute in it. You can't get 0. So that's why here definitely you will get only one value. Only one value satisfies this equation. 2 substitute 0 equal to 0, you will get it. But quadratic equation has 2 roots annam kada. So this equation also 2 roots that are 2, 2 equal roots. That roots are equal. Abba equal ఏంటి సార్? ఒక సింగిల్ రూటే కదా. No. Roots must count. Whether it is equal also, you have to count it. What is the solution of this equation if I am asking you like that? Only one solution, that is 2. The number of solutions of this equation is 1. The number of roots of this equation is 2. That roots are equal, but the 2 must take it. Okay, equal roots antam. Roots are equal, real and equal antam. Okay, nice. So that's why quadratic equation has exactly 2 roots. Now one more question I am asking you. The number of real roots of a given quadratic equation. The number of real roots. Now you observe here, you have 2 roots. What are those? 2, 3. 2 different roots. You got it. Roots real and different. Here 2 equal roots, you got it. 2 equal roots, both are equal. Here no real roots because these are imaginary roots. So that's why the number of real roots of a given quadratic equation means at most 2. In fact, మీ 10th class టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లో ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ అని అట్మోస్ట్ 2 అనే పెడతారు మీరు. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ రియల్ నెంబర్స్, కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ మెన్షన్ చేయరు. సో కాబట్టి ఏంటంటే ఈ కాంప్లెక్స్ రూట్స్ వచ్చాయి కాబట్టి కన్ఫర్మ్గా ఏం చేస్తారు, అట్మోస్ట్ 2 అనే పెడతారు. అట్మోస్ట్ 2 అని పెట్టకపోతే మార్క్ రాదు మీకు. యూ డిడెంట్ గెట్ మార్క్. Okay, so that's why the number of real roots of a quadratic equation means your answer is at most 2. The number of roots of a quadratic equation means 2. Okay, nice. See, one more thing I am giving you, then say me the answer. X square minus 5 modulus x plus 6 equal to 0. Find the roots of this equation. Find the roots of x square minus 5 mod x plus 6 equal to 0. Try to do it. Mod x means, do you know? It is a absolute function. Mod x. In place, you take it any positive value or negative value. Output will get always positive. Ante mod minus 2, 2 only. Mod 2, 2 only. Okay. Mod minus 2 value 2. Mod 2 value 2. Good.